Getting Roblox Error 279 on your iPhone? This usually happens because of slow internet, network restrictions, or server issues. Most players get frustrated, not knowing how simple the fix is. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Roblox Error 279 on iPhone. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Before doing anything else, make sure you have a stable internet connection, try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data, and now try airplane mode on and off. After that, try these advanced solutions. Solution 1. Check down detector. First, open up the Safari browser. Next, tap on the search box and type down detector without any space. Tap on the first link. Then tap on the search icon in the top right corner. Now search the game. Next, tap the game from here. Then scroll down. Here you see whether the game is officially down or not. Solution 2. Offload the Roblox app. First, open up the settings. Then tap on General. Next, tap on iPhone Storage. Now, scroll down and find the app. If you can't find the app here, tap on Show All. Next, tap on the app and then tap Offload, and again tap Offload. After that, tap Reinstall. If you still have the same issue, then follow the next solution. Solution 3. Check for app update. Go to the App Store, tap on the search icon, type Roblox. Now find the Roblox app and tap on it. If you see that there are any updates available for Roblox, then update the app. Solution 4. Reset network settings. Grab your iPhone, open Settings, tap General, scroll down, then tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. After that, tap Reset. Now tap Reset network settings. This will reset settings like Wi-Fi passwords, but won't delete your data. Then enter the passcode of your iPhone if it asks. Tap Reset network settings again. After you have successfully reset your network settings, go ahead and check whether your problem is solved or not. And that's it. Hope your Roblox 279 error is solved by now. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and take care.